A trend that I've seen a lot on really sort of high-end hot rod patina builds is to basically create a two-tone finish. So you end up with a patinaed vehicle, and then on the roof of the vehicle, you actually finish it out and make it look really good. So that's kind of what my plan here is to replicate. And I'm gonna use the Dupli-Color paint shop finish system. Now, the nice thing about the Dupli-Color paint shop system is that it is 100% ready to spray right out of the can. You simply pour it into the gun and you're good to go. There's no recoat window, so we can basically spray it, let it sit for a few minutes. If we don't like the coverage, we can go back and just recoat over it again and again and again until we get the coverage and the look that we want. It's available in a bunch of different colors, and I chose this Sandstorm Tan because I think it's gonna look really good compared to the patina on the rest of the vehicle and might even match our wheels down below. Now, it's great for all different automotive applications, everything from obviously Jeeps, hot rods, motorcycles, side-by-sides, pretty much anything that you wanna paint, it works really well for. You do want to cover it with some type of clear coat, and Dupli-Color offers a bunch of different clear coats. I had them send me some matte clear coat because I don't want this super shiny, so I think a matte clear coat will end up giving us a look that we want. The matte clear coat is UV, scratch, and heat resistant up to 250 degrees, and it will protect our base coat, being the Sandstorm Tan, when we're out on the trail. Everybody, man, in the world is looking at this right now going, aren't you gonna fix those dents? And my answer is no. I'm gonna go over the whole roof with the Scotch-Brite pad just to roughen up the paint that's already on here. We're not gonna repair any of the rust spots or any of the dents because this is an off-road vehicle and it's probably gonna get dented in the future. So the plan here is just to clean it up, prep it, and paint right over it, because we really want that juxtaposition between the brand new Sandstorm Tan and the classic patina. We want those hard lines. So we'll mask off the body, mask off the windshield, all the glass, blow it off, and then we'll just start laying down our paint shop finish system Sandstorm Tan. The nice thing is it doesn't have any recoat window, so we can just basically jump around the truck, make sure we have 50% overlap on each run of the gun as we move it around. And the whole goal here is just basically to take this roof from white to this cool tan color. Then we'll hit it with some matte clear and let it dry. We just wanted a nice matte finish to sort of go with our patina truck, and I think it turned out great.